Well, the only thing missing is popcorn. Yeah, you know I'm gonna go have the liquor store drop some off, right? Yeah. So, this is what we're working on: a ring and a pendant, pendulum, pendulum, pendulum. There we go. Oh, and earrings. So I'm gonna be up till about 3 in the morning, right? Yeah. Prepare today. Is today Saturday? I think it's Saturday. Package it up tomorrow. Put it in the mail on Monday. Yep. What's on your plate? What's at your desk? Let me see what you're doing. The tedious part about making necklaces and bracelets and earrings with more than one bead that has to match. You have to look at each and every one of them individually, match them up, so you have a strand, well, if you're making a necklace or a bracelet, of beads that match. So, time consuming. That's why handmade items cost so much. It's time consuming. There, that's better. I think it's beautiful. I never would think to put white with all white because I like a lot of color. I'm loving this one, y'all. Need, tea, and venom. What are you doing besides scrolling? So here we have a stunning, nice, deep, not just see-through. I really love this one. Opalite, Tree of Life, pentagram. I have to find a stone to go in the center. These are freshwater pearls. Now, freshwater pearls are all different, just like humans. Each one is different than the other. Even if they all came out of the same shell, it's like twins. Each one still has their own fingerprint. So, some can be round. Some can be what they call potato pearls with a little stripe in the middle. And penny pearls and baroque pearls and all sorts of types of pearls. And no, they are not cheap. They used to be. Until I think after many documentaries, people started learning that freshwater pearls, just like anything handmade, takes a lot of time to farm and, get out of the ocean or lakes. Some are born in lakes. And open it and take the pearls out, put some more maker in so they could grow another pearl and all that good stuff. So, for those of you who don't know, I love pearls. People always ask me, what's your favorite crystal? Pearls. Is that a crystal? No. I just love pearls. And you can see that none of them are ever perfect. You see the little dings there, and well, of course, all of these have dings because I think this particular strand, which I don't have any more of, so don't ever expect to get any more of these. I think I paid a really cheap price. I think I got a strand of 15 inches for like $45. Yeah. I just love pearls. Colored. This color. This color. This is a bit brighter than this color. You can't really tell because of only the sunlight coming through the room. And aren't they just beautiful? Look at that. And next we have some yummy amethyst. Some wonderful healing amethyst. You know you want one. I have one more left. Oh, I just love it. Okay, I love these beads. Yep, it's different. I didn't have a purple stone. Sorry, honey. And just like jewelry, everybody has their own vibration. So everything gets made according to your vibration. Isn't that yummy? I do have one more left. Put your 40 bucks down and I'll whip it up for you. No, yours isn't going to look like this.